Hiya, so this is part of our new series of videos, a year on, and I would say a bit, about products we've bought and we've used and have we encountered any problems with them, issues with them, quality, etc, etc. So we bought this drill, about a year and a half ago. It is a DCD778. It's DeWalt, it's 18 volt, comes with a charger.
4 amp hour, it's the bigger battery.
Right.
Came with 2 batteries and charger, and we have, sorry to interrupt, we have done the unboxing and review of this, but this is obviously a year on.
Right, so battery still pulls in and out really easy. It's had no maintenance. So my friends, we've used this for mixing, drilling, masonry, you name it, we've used it for it.
Wire brush even under a car, taking rust off.
Car maintenance, rust off. I mean, we've really used this drill. You can see how much we've used it.
Let's have a close up so you can just get the picture of we've used it for everything.
Mixing plaster with a paddle,
yeah.
We've used, I mean, literally everything. It's been so, this is the most reliable drill that I've ever owned, and it was about 100 and...
we bought it in a kit, and
yeah,
on
about 180 or 178 or something.
But it's been well worth it, yeah.
But it's never let me down. It's reliable. The only thing, occasionally the chuck comes a little bit loose, but it does day one, and I've said that in reviews. So occasionally you just got to stop and tighten it up a little bit, that's all. I've given it the odd little bit of lubrication with some 3-in-1 in the chuck. Apart from that, it has been absolutely brilliant. So would I recommend the DeWalt DCD778? Yeah, absolutely. Would we buy another one? Any day, yeah.
And the batteries and the power is pretty much the same as when we bought it.
Yes, as reliable as anything. I mean, these batteries go on all day.
One important thing to say about it is, though, we have looked after the batteries. We haven't run them right down. We have charged them. We have taken them off charge when they're charged. So we have looked after them. That is obviously important with lithium-ion batteries.
I would say, although this looks well used, it's not being abused.
Yeah, it's not being.
We haven't
thrashed.
You know.
Yeah.
You know, we've been conscious.
We've not burnt it out. We've not done anything like that.
For it's cupboard drilling holes, putting lights in ceilings.
Done a loft conversion, haven't we? With all the boards and all the wood. Yeah.
Oh, we've done all sorts with this. Literally, I'm telling you, all sorts. This has been in use daily for a year and a half, and heavy use, hasn't it? Yeah. So, highly recommended. Credits to DeWalt and their design team. We've had no issues with this one. Perhaps we've just been lucky. But we do have other DeWalt tools, and the quality and finish and how it helps you move on quickly is an asset, and you know, just the design and the comfort. It's a little bit heavy.
Yeah, but that's because of the battery, though, isn't it?
And it's the battery, but
yeah,
you can't knock it for the reliability. That's what I'm trying to say to you.
And the LED at the front still works.
Yeah, look at that.
If you do like us, let's do a sound test close up. Go on. Sounds exactly like the day we bought it.
That little light LED is quite handy.
That's still working. That's important.
That's quite good. So if this helps you, it's got a thing that tells you about the battery as well.
Yeah.
There you go.
So that one's a bit low, so we need to charge it.
Yeah, I mean it's been used. So,
but even with the lower, it's still got plenty of power.
So that's quite good. Telling you battery is. It's got a strap there to hang it on. We've done a previous review of this. This is just about, is it any good after a year and a bit? Are you spending your money well? We think, yeah. So this has helped you along a little bit, deciding on whether to buy a DeWalt drill. We've got some screw fix, I believe. Why not help us along a little bit and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching again.